Hey, can you roll your window down for me, man?
Can you get that light out of my eyes, please?
It's for my safety. I can't.
What's your name and badge number?
Officer Carmen, SH551.
Am I in suspicion of a crime?
Yes, you are, sir.
What is that crime?
So we have eyewitness reporting that you backed into a vehicle.
And that's a crime?
It is a crime. It is a crime.
That's a crime?
Yeah, so now we're just here investigating.
What is that crime? What ordinance?
I don't need to tell you that. So you backed into a vehicle. I think anybody would know that is. It's gonna be a civil issue.
Where did I do that at?
We have an eyewitness. He's coming up here to tell us. Okay.
Do you see damage?
Do what?
Do you see damage?
Sir, that's what the investigation is for.
Okay.
You understand that? Listen,
Yeah.
we can keep playing this game.
So this would be considered an accident. But
Correct.
It wasn't an accident. I don't know what you're talking about, so I don't understand. You guys were over there with people.
Okay.
Now you're up here.
Yeah. Well, that we can't be everywhere at once, so we had to go from over there to over here.
Petty. You got better things to do.
It's not petty, man.
It's
If you backed into somebody's car and they're unaware and then you leave, that's what's called a hit and run,
whoever it was,
which is a felony.
Well, it's a felony.
A hit and run.
It is.
It's not a hit and run. I'm getting ready to park. I just came here, and I pull in here all the time, and this is my spot.
All right, listen. So
What is your name and badge number?
I already told you. You can watch the video.
One more time.
You can watch that video that you pulled up. To get my name and badge number, I'm only going to tell you once, all right? If you don't want to listen, that's not my fault. You understand?
You can watch it on my channel.
Yeah. Okay. What channel do you have? Are you an auditor?
I choose not to answer any questions at this
Perfect.
time.
I don't have to answer any
do
questions either. You understand that?
And I
there anybody in
remain
the back?
silent at this time. Okay? I remain silent at this time. I don't
You already said that, yet you're
any-
still talking. So are you
I
going to
don't
keep talking or are you going to remain
any
silent?
Searches,
We're not searching you.
searching you.
any escalation of a situation that I don't know what you're talking
Well,
about.
it doesn't have to
If
escalate, but you
someone-
understand the way that you're acting right now by refusing to roll down your window, refusing to
I don't
identify
have to
yourself.
refuse my window. This is legal, sir. I have amendments. Do you know the First Amendment, Second Amendment? Well, tell me what the Second, Third.
No, listen. See, you're not quizzing
not gonna
us.
do
We're here
that.
questioning you. Do you
Warren
understand
Sapp,
that?
NFL, what he's going through with the lawsuit?
Who?
Warren Sapp. He played for the Tampa Bay Bucks.
Okay.
Don't reach for anything.
No,
Stop reaching.
Keep your hands visible.
I'm looking for my water. My throat's dry. So that's it. So Warren Sapp, got arrested, Hall of Fame NFL over at Tampa.
Yeah, listen. I don't need a history lesson. I don't care about Warren
The
Sapp.
point
All right.
is, am I being detained?
You're under investigation right now. We're trying to make sure you didn't back into somebody, and we're going to leave.
On the detainment. So I would like to know this person that's coming down, and if they want to show me, I'm an open-minded, fair person. What car I hit and what damage I did, then I'd like to. Where is that problem waiting, sir? I have things to go. So how long am I being detained? Because I know there's
Just until our supervisor gets here and he can tell you you're good to go.
So this is being recorded, and I don't know how long I'm being detained, but there is a time limit. So this will be recognized to the judge as well. This is the guy that called in and complained. Come
I'm
on.
conducting an active investigation right
Well,
now,
where
so.
is he? And then show me the damage.
Well, we're still trying to figure everything out, so.
Okay, I'm standing by and I'm waiting.
All right, our supervisor's almost here, just to let you know.
They train you rookies wrong, man. Become tyrants. You know what a tyrant is? It's wrong. When I went in to make a difference, but it was drinking and driving, not homing.
Okay. What law enforcement agency did you work for?
I don't need to answer that.
Okay, I was just wondering. You don't have to answer, but.
I know my amendment. Do you?
I sure do.
Then why are you harassing?
We're not harassing you. We're conducting an active
This is a
investigation.
form of harassment. If you know my amendments, I don't need to give my ID. I don't need to vote on my window. I have rights. We have
Okay.
amendments. We have rights. Don't violate my rights. But I don't consent to any searches, harassment.
Okay.
What's the...
Sir, I need your license and registration and insurance.
For what reason?
Because
What is your name and badge number?
I'm Sergeant Frank. My badge number is SH445. Get that light out of my face, please.
Get that light out of my face.
Well, stop sticking the light in my face. Turn the light off. You can record us, but you don't need that light on.
Take the light off. Now,
Sir,
unless
we're
I am not
okay,
giving
listen.
you my ID or anything unless I'm committed a crime, okay? I didn't commit a crime. I'm using my First Amendment. I choose to remain silent. I don't
Sir,
consent to any searches.
I'm going to explain to you right now. Your vehicle was witnessed crashing into another vehicle. You're the operator. You're the operator. All right. You will either provide us your identification, or we'll take you out of the car and we'll have to take you down to the
So that's
station
a
to get your
violation
identification.
of my right, and then that's a
Sir, I'm not going to
lawsuit.
argue with you about it. Give me your license, your insurance, and your
I
registration.
do not need to give it. It's my amendment. It's my First
Sir,
Amendment.
I'm gonna
Second
tell you-
Amendment. Okay.
we have this
Did I
affidavit
commit a
here?
Sir?
Let's do that first so that we can get him
I'm
out of the
talking-
car, because he's going to come out of that car once that affidavit is signed.
Sir.
We
Sergeant
haven't
Frank.
ID yet.
Sergeant Frank. Did I commit a crime? Sir, I'm talking to you. Did I commit a crime?
Sir, this vehicle was involved in a crash. You're the operator of the
What
vehicle.
crash?
We're investigating the crash.
Where's the witness they called, and where's the damage?
The witness is currently filling out an affidavit. Once he signs the affidavit stating he
I
saw
want
you,
to see the
the
damage.
damage is right back here. Come on and look at it.
Is. I'm not stepping out of this vehicle.
The damage is exactly-
An accident.
is
I'll call my
exactly-
insurance company.
Sir,
I'm going to call my insurance company.
the accident is consistent with the height of the bottom of that bike rack that you have on the back of the car. The damage is right there, and the damage size and location are
let's not
consistent with the
escalate
bottom
this.
of that.
Let's not
Let's not escalate it. Let me have your
No,
insurance,
let's
your
call
registration,
the
and your
police
driver's
for an
license.
accident report.
Okay.
Okay? This is not for an arrest unlegally.
You, sir, your failure to identify yourself
Is a-
because we're investigating the accident is going to be a crime.
It
You're,
is?
you're resisting an arrest with or an officer
Do you
without
think you're
violence
talking
right
to
now.
someone that's ignorant, doesn't know
Okay.
the law?
Okay. So you're refusing to identify yourself?
I don't need to identify myself right now.
Okay. That's
Am I
fine.
in the vacation of a crime?
Sir, you're refusing to comply with
you
our
wanna go to
lawful
jail?
request.
What am I
Stop.
going to
Stop.
jail for?
Sir, you're delaying our investigation, which means you're obstructing our investigation right now by refusing to identify yourself, by refusing to provide your license, your registration, and your insurance. That's hindering our investigation right now. All you got to do is just give us the stuff, and we'll fill out a crash form, and we'll be on our way.
Okay, that's fair.
That's all I'm asking for. We're not here to hem you up. We're not here to do anything else.
Write a report.
Yes,
I can contact my insurance company.
absolutely.
That's all we
You'll
want to
get you'll get a copy of
Here
it.
for arrest.
No,
I'm
we're
being
here.
told,
We're
though,
here
by your
only.
rookie here, the training that this is a felony, that I did a hit and run. See, this is what's
Okay.
concerned. Can I finish speaking, please?
Yes, you can.
He told me I did a hit and run. I tried to escape. It's a felony. Now, why is this all coming out here? If you wonder why I'm not getting out of the vehicle, I committed a felony. A hit and run means I'm leaving. By the way, I have 5 years of law enforcement
Okay,
in the 80s.
just let me tell you this. All we want to do is the crash report, and we want to, sir, your license, registration, insurance, so we can do the crash report and get out of here. That's all we're asking
And
for.
where's the other guy?
The other guy, we haven't been able to track him down here.
Well, where's the report on him?
The vehicle is parked, sir. There's nobody in it. It was parked
Well, I
when you
wanna
backed
see-
into it.
That I would like to see.
We're going to do the crash report.
Where's his report?
Sir, are you still refusing to provide us with the information?
Where's the other person, sir? Did he show his ID? Where is he?
The other person wasn't driving. It was a parked
Well, where
vehicle.
is he? He wants to file. Where is he? Shouldn't he come down and confront you guys? You talk to me. You talk to him over there. That's the procedure.
Sir, are you refusing to provide us
I'm
with your
asking,
license? 'Cause
where's the other guy?
are you refusing to provide us with your license insurance? Just a minute ago, you said it was reasonable.
Well,
It's all we're
who's
trying
the
to do
other
is a
per-
crash report.
I just want to know who the other person is. Who's the other gentleman?
Okay, well, just hold on.
Isn't that fair? Wouldn't you want to talk to him, have him come down? You talk to him because sometimes
Sir.
he might say, "Oh, he didn't let him come down and look at it. Oh, he didn't hear it, or don't worry about it." I don't know what's going on, but a lot of times in accident, people say, "Don't worry about it." Okay, you know that as well as I did. I have insurance, so I don't worry about it. But this
Well,
is
then
not
why
a
are you
base-
delaying this entire process?
This is a vendor.
Why are
I
you
don't know what it
delaying? Why
is.
are you delaying this entire process?
Tell me he's a reported, but where is he? All you young guys, escalate, try to get the ID. That's your goal. Get the ID, get the ID. You even ask people walking the street, give me your ID. You can't do that. That's unlawful.
Okay.
We have rights. What if your wife or, gets harassed by a cop? It happens all the time. Go on YouTube. Bay Area Transparency. My friend makes a lot of money on you guys. Lawsuit. You gotta know the law.
Okay.
Sir, how long am I being detained? There is a limit, and I want to know where the complainant is, and maybe I know when I was trained, you take him over there, you detain me here and hear his story. He might say, hey, never mind. He may want to check it out and see if there's even a dent.
There's a dent.
Well,
I'm looking right at it.
Where is
Come out of the car, I'll show it to you. It's right there.
It could be a dent he had before.
Come on, I'll show it to you.
No, do I look ignorant? I want to know.
Well, you're saying you don't know where it is, but I'm telling you, it's right there. All you got to do is get out of the car, walk over there, and look at it.
Okay. Hey, sir, where's the other person? Sir, what am I being detained for right now? Because
I'm
it's
sorry, you
over
have
the
a signed
limit.
affidavit? More signed affidavit? Okay, sir. Please get out of the car and do it now.
Where is the other
Sir,
complainant?
step
in
out
the
of the
other
car
report?
and do it now.
Do what?
What's the current time?
And then bring the other person down and talk to him. Let's see the damage.
Sir,
He's not even down here.
I've been here talking to you for 13 minutes
It's not
now.
your job to just see how many scratches on the car.
It's
up to him to come
It's your
down
responsibility to provide us with your license, your registration, and your insurance. We're conducting a crash investigation. I've explained this to you multiple times. Do you refuse to comply with that because you haven't complied yet?
Where
are
is
you
the
still
other
going to
person?
continue
Where
to
is the
refuse to
other
comply?
person? Why is it your? Why do you interfere? With
All right.
Why is it your job to? Where is the other person? You told
Sir,
me.
get out of
you
the
told
vehicle
me they
and
were
do it
gonna
now.
Do an affidavit. Don't touch
Sir.
my vehicle and open. I do not consent.
Get out of the car and do it now.
I'm not getting out. What is your name
Sir,
and badge
I'm Sergeant
number?
Frank. Break his window.
You can't.
Get him out. Get out of the vehicle and do it now.
Well, now I have no choice. And you're going to arrest
Open
me
it
for
up.
this?
Get out. Come on. Yes, you're going to jail. We spent too much time here trying to get you out of this vehicle. You're going to jail now, sir.
Why? Can I move my leg?
Come on. Just get the door on now.
Get
Get him out.
You damn it. Okay, you don't have.
Get out. Get on the ground.
Why? Don't take my phone. Don't take my phone. Don't shut my phone off. Do not.
Your phone will keep rolling.
Let me see it. Put your camcorders on. Do you have your camcorder on, sir? Do you have your camcorder on? Sir,
Yes, I'm rolling. Don't you
I'm
worry.
Don't worry about our cameras.
that's too tight, sir.
Yeah, well,
If
you would have complied, we would have been able to do it easier.
Hey, listen. Stop. Stop right there, guys. Get
Yeah.
a second pair of handcuffs. He's got a shoulder injury. We don't want
I have a
anything to hurt him.
Oh, I have two shoulder surgeries.
Open that up.
Thank you, sir.
Give him another set of handcuffs.
Oh, thank you. Because I have a left shoulder getting ready for surgery, and I've had two on the right.
All right. Well, we're not here to cause you any pain, sir. We're just here to gain compliance and complete our investigation, which you.
Well, I believe you violated my rights, so we'll see in court.
Yep.
Because this is absolutely ridiculous. I want to ask, is your camcorder on? Show me, please, the light. Is my phone?
Well, that doesn't mean anything, sir.
Is my phone still on?
I don't know.
Let me see the damage.
Get him in the car. Just get him in the car.
Can I see the-
Search him.
where
Get
is
him in
my
the car.
phone?
And somebody call a tow truck for his car.
No, I live here. Officer, I live here. Don't tow me.
Leave it in the middle of the parking lot, sir.
That's where I park. That's my parking spot. You cannot take my car. I have a pass on my
Spread your
ID.
feet.
I have a
You have extra glove?
no. My parking pass. Can you listen?
We don't know who you are.
My
where you
parking
live,
pass
none
is
of it.
right there on the left for the right here. I've been living there 4.5 years. That is my spot,
I'm
and
sorry,
I
but
backed
it's
up
not
a little.
even in a parking spot
Yes,
right
it
now. We
is.
can't leave it blocking the whole road.
You don't work here. That is blocking what, sir? Why do? That's ignorant what you just said. I'm on the end, looking at the ocean on the end. Sir, why are you walking away? Officer, I'm talking to you. Where's my phone?
It's not saying where it is. Just get
Where
in the
is
car.
it? I want to see it.
Get him in the car.
That's my personal property. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Yeah, I got an ID, dude. Don't get excited. I have a card. Ooh, what? Ooh, marijuana, truly. Ooh, I train
Take
athletes
your
that
shoes
do
off. Take your red shoe off for me.
You're an athlete trainer?
It's a long time. San Diego. Doesn't matter, man. Yeah, put that. And then where's my phone?
Your phone's where it stays.
Sir, can you put your camcorder on?
It's on.
I don't see a light. The light's supposed
Buddy,
to be
it's on.
flashing.
It's on. I'm telling you, it's on.
I don't see lights on you guys. Where is your camcorder light?
I promise you, you can go through our department, do a public records request, pull all the body cam footages, all right? You'll still see they're all rolling.
We're going to meet in court anyway. The lawsuit, you're making me money.
Sir, get in the car.
All right, get in the car.
And where's my phone?
Get in the car.
You can be nice. Don't.
We are being nice. We're not
Okay.
being mean.
I don't want my car.
Somebody tow that car.
You good?
It's not in a
I got
parking
cut.
space. You can all see that it's not.
Yeah, I got it.
It's not in a parking space, and he's under arrest, right?